Hey there, Lincoln here from bowacademy.org. Today I have some great news for Beyond Meat and Tattoo Chef investors, FMCI Foreign Merger 2. If you are an investor in these two companies, then this is going to be a great video for you. And of course, if you're someone who believes in the future of plant-based foods and you're investing in that future, then this video will be good for you too. So stay tuned. But before we hop into the news, remember to like the video below, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and comment below what you're learning and what you would like to learn in the next videos. And of course, let me know below what your thoughts are on this news and Beyond Meat and Tattoo Chef, and of course the merger with Foreign Merger 2. So Walmart, the biggest retailer in the whole world by far, with over $550 billion in net sales in 2019, has become extremely bullish on plant-based foods. And this is wonderful news for you if you're an investor in plant-based foods. The retailer who crushes everyone else in the space by over $400 billion in net sales has told its suppliers to focus on identifying and producing more plant-based foods to sell in more Walmarts across the country, and of course that also should mean across the whole world. So plant-based foods are taking a strong hold in the grocery market. And this is going to be great news for us investors in Beyond Meat and Tattoo Chef. Of course, you know I'm investing in Tattoo Chef for a merger and Beyond Meat. I'm investing over $25,000 for 1,000 shares of Foreign Merger 2, which will become Tattoo Chef once the merger vote next week goes through. If it goes through, of course, we have to vote. But if that merger goes through, Foreign Merger 2 will become Tattoo Chef Inc. and I will become a shareholder of Tattoo Chef. And this is the kind of news I want to hear leading into that vote. Before this news came out just recently, Beyond Meat products were being sold in 800 Walmarts. Now Walmart is tripling down on its partnership with Beyond Meat, increasing the number of stores that it's selling Beyond Meat products in by 200%, from 800 to 2,400 stores. That is a very bullish move by Walmart. They're basically saying that plant-based foods are the future, and we want to have a big part of that. We are betting a large part of our $500 billion net sales on plant-based foods. We believe that plant-based foods are going to continue to drive more sales for us. That's why we want more of them in our stores. That's why we want to sell 3 times more Beyond Meat products. And we have the data to support this bullish move. And we're going to take a look at that data right now. My source for this information is Walmart themselves. They recently published a post telling their suppliers to focus on identifying and producing more plant-based foods to sell in Walmart. And the reason Walmart says that is because they're speaking from the data obtained from a study just this year, 2020, from Natural Products Expo East. That organization's study suggests that there is rising demand for plant-based foods. The study actually found that 36% of consumers buy plant-based meats and 58% of adults are drinking non-dairy milks. I drink almond milk, I drink coconut milk, I eat my cereal with coconut milk, I eat my Oreos with coconut milk. I am one of those adults who have shifted completely from actual milk from cows, which I'm not sure why we've been drinking cow milk because we're not cow babies, whatever they're called. I wouldn't know because I'm not a cow. So I don't even know why we drink cow milk. But now 58% of us are saying, this doesn't make sense. We're going to shift to plant-based milks, and they're great for us and they taste good. So I'm going to drink my plant-based milk, and whenever I want some texture in my food, I'm going to add some plant-based meats. That's what more Americans are doing, and that is the future. So of course Walmart hasn't told its suppliers to completely shift to plant-based foods, but they're telling them to focus on identifying more of them to sell. And this is wonderful news for us. So with all of this news, we're going to start seeing more of the words plant-based foods in Walmarts across the country and across the world. Of course, we've seen Beyond Meat expanding to China and they're building facilities out there. So plant-based foods is going to become a more regular occurrence in our cultures, in our stores, and in our investments. If you're not investing in the plant-based foods future, you're missing out on the future. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just some software engineer on YouTube telling you that I know the future, I've seen it, I eat it, and I believe in it, and I'm investing in it very heavily. I'm a bull for plant-based foods and for the future of the plant-based foods movement. And Walmart is telling us all that they are also bullish on this movement. They are also investing in the plant-based future. They want their suppliers to produce more plant-based foods that people will love and people will buy more of, to add to their $550 billion net sales every year. Walmart is the largest food retailer by far. The next closest is Costco at around $160 billion. Walmart is doing over $550 billion in net sales every year as of 2019, and they're going to continue to grow. So if Walmart tells suppliers to go out there and find more plant-based foods to sell in Walmarts, those suppliers are going to listen. They're not going to say no to Walmart. They're going to go out there and find more plant-based foods. And when we, Tattoo Chef and Beyond Meat, come to Walmart, and Walmart says, hey, what do you have for us? And we say, here it is, some great new Tattoo Chef frozen foods, plant-based foods, and some great new Beyond meat, right? Walmart's gonna say, hey, let's sell it. This is the future. Let's sell it to the people. That's what they want. Let's give it to them. So this is great news for Tattoo Chef, because we all know that Tattoo Chef is only in 7% of Walmarts right now. Only 7%. There is so much room left to grow for Tattoo Chef, for Merger 2. There is so much room left for this company to grow. They are so undervalued in my opinion. I can see this company getting to $100 per share, at least half of what Beyond Meat is worth today, within the next 2 years. I actually think that if Tattoo Chef can continue to come out with great meals, great recipes that people continue to love and build their brand, they can actually become a bigger company because they have such a larger array of what they can offer to their customers. They are making full meals that are plant-based and healthy for people to enjoy and live a healthy life. So I am very bullish on Tattoo Chef. I'm very bullish on Beyond Meat. And when Impossible Foods comes out, I'm going to be bullish on them too. Of course, a little different than Beyond Meat. And Tattoo Chef is very different from those two, because those two are tech companies, high-tech companies that are invested in the future of alternative meat. But Tattoo Chef is special in that they are leading the market in these plant-based frozen foods meals. They're providing for those people who don't want to cook their own food. Even if I have Beyond Meat in my freezer, I still have to take it out, prepare a recipe, and cook it. But Tattoo Chef just says, hey, go to your grocery store or order online. We'll ship it to you. You pop it in the oven or in the microwave and you eat. There's no thinking to it, right? And it tastes great and is healthy for you. So that's why I'm so bullish on Tattoo Chef. That's why I'm so bullish on Beyond Meat. That's why I'm so bullish on Impossible Foods. And I can't wait to see what this increased distribution in Walmart stores will mean for these companies going forward. Already, Beyond Meat is up 13% in the last week on this news and 42% in the last month. At its current price of around $186 per share, this is the highest the stock has been in the last year, and not too far off from its all-time high of around $234 per share last July in 2019. So there's so much room left to grow for Beyond Meat, but this is a great start following this news. I'm very glad to see Walmart settling into this bandwagon on plant-based foods. And as a long-term investor, I'm going to continue to practice the bull mentality. The bull mentality is that we know what we invest in. We understand what we invest in. We believe in what we invest in, and we hold for the long term, because that's how we build wealth in this country. That's how we give ourselves the best chance at success on the stock market. And I'm going to continue to hold these two companies for the very long term and continue to benefit from the appreciation of the value of these assets. As Walmart doubles down and becomes bullish on plant-based foods, I believe that these companies are going to continue to prosper and grow. They're going to do very well in the future, and we're just getting started. So I hope that if you're investing in Tattoo Chef and Beyond Meat, that you're very happy on this news too. And if you are, comment below what your thoughts are on all of this, and let me know what you think of Walmart and their shift in priorities. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video below, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you know next time I publish a new video, and comment below what your thoughts are on all of this and what you would like me to cover in future videos. And of course, if you want to help the channel grow, remember to join our Patreon community at patreon.bullacademy.org. You'll get more access to me and be able to request more videos with priority access to have your questions answered directly by me and the community members. And of course, you'll get early access to urgent news and my portfolio changes and what specs I'm following, as well as merch such as stickers and mugs and maybe t-shirts in the future. And you'll have a chance at winning $200 every month for being a loyal and engaged patron and helping us reach more investors and grow on the channel. I'm Lincoln with bullacademy.org. Thank you again and have a great day.